Early this morning, when you knocked on my door, and I said, hello, Satan, I feel it is time. Me and the devil, walking side by side.
Damn!